We have to help him.
We can't let him go extinct. We need to examine his left and right side.
This is his axial skeleton. It consists of the head, the neck, and the trunk. His appendicular skeleton includes all of his limbs, like the arms and the legs.
What's the difference between superior and inferior?
Superior means closer to the top of the head, so his nose would be superior to his mouth. Anything away from the head is inferior, so his calves are inferior to his stomach.
Also, anterior is closer to the front, so the stomach would be anterior to his spine. And additionally, posterior is towards the back of the body, so his spinal cord is posterior to his liver.
Medial means closer to the midline of the body, so his heart is medial to his lungs. And lateral means further from the midline, so his shoulder is lateral from his ribs.
If something is closer to the origin of the body, it is proximal, so the knee is proximal to the feet.
If something away from the origin is distal. The hands are distal from the elbow.
Superficial means towards the body surface, so the skin is superficial to the heart.
Deep is away from the body surface and closer to the center, so the gallbladder is deep to the hair. The dorsal cavity includes the nervous system, the brain, and the spinal area.
The cranial cavity is within the skull and includes the brain only. The spinal cavity runs within the vertebral column and encases the spinal cord.
The ventral cavity contains the internal organs. It includes the thoracic cavity, which contains the heart and the lungs.
The ventral cavity also includes the abdominopelvic cavity, which contains the intestines, spleen, liver, bladder, as well as the reproductive organs.
The sagittal plane is defined as dividing the body into left and right parts. Mid-sagittal is similar in that it is the same cut, but it is down the midline.
The frontal plane divides the brain into anterior and posterior sides.
Dividing the body into superior and inferior parts is a transverse plane cut.
The right upper quadrant is on the top half of the abdomen. That is on the left when you're looking at the body, because when you're looking at the body, the patient's view is always the one that's first. So similarly, the left upper quadrant is on the left side, which would be, or the right side for the person looking at the body.
The right lower quadrant is the bottom half of the abdomen that is on the left when viewing the body in anatomical position. As expected, the left lower quadrant is also on the bottom half of the abdomen, but on the right when you look at the body.
Located on the top row of the 9 abdomen regions, on the right lateral side of the epigastric region is the right hypochondriac region. This area is home to organs such as the liver, gallbladder, right kidney, and small intestines.
The region of the abdomen that is medial to the right hypochondriac region is the epigastric region. This region contains the adrenal glands, the spleen, pancreas, duodenum, liver, and stomach.
On the left lateral of the epigastric region is the right hypochondriac region, consisting of the pancreas, left kidney, colon, and spleen.
Wow, it seems the meteor has caused so much damage to the whole top row of the abdomen and pelvic regions.
And it doesn't end there. The right lumbar region is inferior to the right hypochondriac region, and on the right lateral side of the umbilical region. That has been damaged too. This contains the colon, liver, and gallbladder.
I also believe that the umbilical region, which is the most medial region of the second row of the abdomen, as well as the left lumbar region, which is the central left zone of the abdomen, is damaged.
At least the right iliac region, which is located in the lower right section of the abdomen, looks alright, along with the hypogastric region, which is located below the umbilical region.
The left iliac region, the region located in the lower left section of the abdomen, looks okay too.
After our thorough medical examination, it seems as there's too many body parts that are damaged.
It looks like, unfortunately, dinosaurs are going to go extinct.